Hello everyone, my name is Cherry and welcome back to my channel Cherry on the Cake. This is day 25 of our magic practice series, and for today's practice we are going to play a game with this magical universe. Now, the universe is constantly giving you cues to be grateful because according to law of attraction, the more you are grateful, the more you will attract things in your life to be grateful for. For today's practice, we will look for these cues and we will feel the gratitude. These cues can be very subtle. It could be a person who walks up and says that my health is deteriorating. That is a perfect cue for you to feel the gratitude for your amazing health. Likewise, if your friend walks up and says to you that I am having a very hard time in my job, that is a cue for you to feel the gratitude for your amazing job. Also, if you want to lose weight and you see a person who has lost amazing amount of weight and has got a perfect body, that is a sign and a cue so that you feel the gratitude and attract your perfect body weight. For today's practice, you have to look for these cues and feel the gratitude as much as you can. If you want, you can extend this, and rather than doing it for 7 times, you can make a task for yourself that you will feel as much gratitude for as many cues I will find that are given to me by the universe. And I truly hope that you are counting your blessings in the morning and using the magic rock at night. That's it for today's video, and if you learned anything from this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay connected for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.